Hey everyone, welcome back to eBike Reviews and Adventures. My name is Amanda, and today I am taking the Hitway KB6 out for its first impression ride. So please give this video a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe and make sure to hit that little bell so you get all the notifications so you don't miss out on any of the fun. So this is my first impression video, which means I don't know any of the specs. I'm just taking this bike out for a ride. I'm going to take a stop here in a little bit to show you guys what it looks like on the surface. And then tomorrow I'm actually going to be doing the full review of this bike, so you won't have to wait too long to know everything you need to know about this bike. Now, the only thing that I know about this bike is it is a folding e-bike and it is a budget-friendly e-bike as well. So we are going to determine tomorrow if this cheaper bike is still decent quality or not. So right now I have it in pedal assist 1 and I'm pedaling a decent amount. It's not really going anywhere. The motor has not kicked in, but I am going about 10 miles an hour in pedal assist 1. So I'm gonna bump it up to pedal assist 2, kind of a noisy motor. So just pedaling, I'm getting it up to about 15 miles per hour. Pedal assist 3, got it up to 19 miles an hour. It only has 3 pedal assists. So I'm getting it up to 19 miles per hour in pedal assist 3. So, all right, this is the Hitway BK6. As you can tell right here, it is a folding e-bike. This rear rack right here, this does not look very stable. I don't think I would put anything over 20 pounds on the back of this bike, to be perfectly honest with you. It's got the palm rests right here, which is not going to make or break the bike, but it is a personal preference, so I appreciate that little detail. 20 by 3 inch tires. It's got the knobby wheels as well. I don't know if I'd want to go off-roading with this. So it does have a suspension seat post right here. I did not have to buy a part to install this. It came with the bike. So that's kind of a nice feature. It does have a Shimano shifter, and it's a 7-speed. It also has the twisty throttle on the right side here. And there's the display. So the display is pretty visible there too. So it seems to handle all right. It's a little on the shorter side. It's definitely a very lightweight bike. I don't know how much it weighs, I don't know any of the specs. It does like to take off pretty quickly. I'm already up to 19 miles an hour. And the brakes work good. The brakes are just a little noisy. Might be something that you can kind of get used to after a little bit. If you like this video, please give me a big ol' thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe. We've got all sorts of content for everybody. And please remember to hit that little bell so you get all the notifications. I will see you in the next video. Please ride responsibly and please ride safe.